In this video, we'll show you how to replace the transfer case shift motor on your Chevy Colorado. This is located on the back side of the transfer case. Let's get started. On the back side of our electrical connector, we have a white tab. We need to pull that out, start to pull that down, and then press in on the tab in the middle. We can pull that out. That'll allow us to press in on the tab. Pull down on the connector. You always want to check your connectors for damage or corrosion. These look okay. Looking at the back side of the transfer case, we have 3 T40 Torx bits. We'll go ahead and remove those. And we can remove the motor. We can get the motor lined up. And we can get our screws started in. We'll snug those down. And we can torque these to 14 foot-pounds. Get the electrical connector plugged back in. Make sure that's fully seated and clips in, not going to pull back out. We'll get the white clip back inside that and make sure that's fully seated as well. Make sure to test out the functionality of your four-wheel drive system. Take the vehicle for a test drive, and thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.